Solar generation is the most cost-efficient way of producing electricity, and it's leading the expansion of renewable in many parts of the world. But there's a slight irritation. Solar panels sometimes get dirty. Accumulations of dust or bird droppings can have a big effect on performance. In some regions, soiling is the operator's biggest challenge, putting investment at serious risk. Routine cleaning is the answer, of course, but costs could easily get out of control, cutting deep into profits. But there's a way to optimize your cleaning strategy. It starts with doing a few calculations.
To evaluate if a cleaning is an investment worth making, you need to know what the soiling rate on your site is, how much energy you're losing, and how much it is worth.
There are a lot of sensors available that can give you this kind of information, but they all have their own strengths and weaknesses.
Based on tests with different soiling sensors available on the market, we have developed our own soiling measurement system, specifically designed for utility-scale PV power plants. By our experience, in desert regions, soiling rates usually exceed the expectations, and cleaning is often done inefficiently.
Various systems are available. Some work better than others, but many operators still clean manually, which is labor-intensive and inefficient, and it uses a lot of water. And apart from the environmental issues, cold water could cause damage through thermal shock. ENGIE Le Borlec has been evaluating the best and most cost-effective ways to avoid all that.
For moderate soiling, cleaning tractors can be used. For higher soiling or very remote places, autonomous cleaning robots can be an alternative.
Tractor-mounted cleaners feature powerful brushes and carry large water tanks for basic cleaning of larger areas, while more precise cleaning robots with dry rotating brushes can be deployed if the design of the panels allows it. An effective low-cost cleaning strategy must weigh all the data against energy losses, taking into account each plant's financial and performance model.
Very often, huge reductions in the OPEX are possible by choosing the right cleaning strategy and adapting the cleaning frequency to the site conditions.
There are many choices, and it's easy to take the wrong path for your site. Finding that optimization sweet spot is where ENGIE Le Borlec can help. By making critical measurements and analyzing the data, you can develop a cleaning strategy that saves you money, eliminates energy losses, and respects the environment.